Hey friends, this is Mrs. Wolfe with a message from Heather the Needy Homesteader. I just got off the phone from Heather and she wanted me to give you guys a message because she's having a really hard time putting out update videos because remember her wrists were broken. She's barely using her hands. She's learning to walk and she has to relearn to do a lot of things because she was so traumatically injured, right? So she wants you to know that she's loving the cards and the letters and the love and support that everybody is sending her because she feels it deeply, and she's so very grateful for your love and support. And I'm going to be doing one of the videos. I haven't done it yet, but I'm going to do a video soon, inspired by Heather, right? So we want to keep her name valid and in there, but don't be surprised if things change. She's got a long journey of healing ahead of her, and it's going to be a painful one. So keep the prayers coming, keep the love coming, and know that she feels it all, and she is very, very grateful. All right. I love you guys. Take care. God bless. And that's your message from Heather. Mwah!